In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a custom accounting report template. If you regularly review financial data, customizing your reports can save a lot of time and make the information much easier to understand. Instead of adjusting the same report over and over again, you can create a version that matches your needs and then save it for future use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process from opening the reports area to saving your finished custom template. To get started, go to the reports section from within accounting. This is where you'll find the standard financial reports available in the system. If you're not sure where to begin, this area is usually organized so you can quickly access common reporting tools. Taking a moment here to locate the right report category will make the next steps much smoother. Once you're in reports, open a standard report to use as your starting point. A common example is the profit and loss report, since it gives a clear summary of income and expenses. Using a base report like this is helpful because you don't need to build anything from scratch. Instead, you're simply taking an existing report and shaping it to better fit your workflow or reporting style. After opening the report, click Edit Layout. This is the area where you can customize how the report is presented. Depending on what you need, you may want to adjust the columns, change the way information is grouped, or update formulas so the report reflects the figures in the most useful way. As you make these changes, it helps to think about who will be reading the report and what details matter most. A cleaner layout can make financial data easier to review, compare, and share. Take your time during this part. Small adjustments to structure and organization can make a big difference in readability. The goal is to create a version of the report that consistently supports your reporting needs without extra cleanup every time you open it. When you're happy with the layout, click Save as Custom. This saves your edited report as a reusable template for the future. That means the next time you need this format, you won't have to repeat the same setup process again. It's a simple way to standardize reporting and work more efficiently. And that's it. By going to Reports, opening a standard report, editing the layout, and saving it as custom, you can create a report template that's tailored to your needs and ready whenever you need it.